Hello friends, I am Mr. Ravindra Bhalerao and I welcome you to my channel that is English for Learners. Friends, in today's video we shall discuss about a sample activity sheet or we can say a model question paper. This question paper is for standard 10 subject English higher level. This activity sheet is with a answer, but before watching this video as usual I request you don't forget to subscribe my channel. Alright, let's see about a sample activity sheet. Students, you have to solve this activity sheet within 3 hours, but this activity sheet is with a answer. That is why you have to just observe the activities or the questions and its answers. Let's begin section 1. It is language study. It is for 10 marks. Question number 1A. Do as directed any 4. 6 activities will be given, but you have to solve any 4. Okay. Number 1. Write 2 compound words of your own. Answer I will show you after reciting the activities or the questions. Number 2. Make a meaningful sentence of your own using the following phrase in search of. Number 3. Spot the error in the following sentence and rewrite it. And the sentence is, I think more and more people should take up sports as a fun time career. Number 4. Identify the types of sentence. And the sentence is, why didn't you come earlier? Number 5. Complete the following word chain of nouns. And the word is given book. Next, A2. Do as directed any 2. 1. Make 2 sentences of your own to show a difference of homograph. And the word is train. Next activity 2. Write the 2 sentence using present perfect tense. I started a company. Next sentence 3. Make a word register of 4 words related with music. Question number 1. B. Do as directed any 1 for 2 marks. Pick out the model auxiliary and state its function. And the sentence is given like this. Avi could perform well in his school days. From this sentence you have to find out or pick out the model auxiliary verbs and what does it shows. Number 2. Change the given sentence into positive and comparative degree. And the sentence given for change the degree and the sentence is Jupiter is the largest of all planets. Now let's see the answers of the question number 1A. A1 1. Compound words you have to write down. The compound words are given here. Classroom, class and room. Classroom. Next one, moonlight, milkshake, cupcake. These are the compound words. Next activity was given. You have to use the word phrase in search of. The sentence is given as an answer like this. Buddha decided to leave his house in search of happiness. Next activity was you have to find out the error of the given sentence. The error is here. Things, it was things, but here the right sentence is I think, not things. I think more and more people should take up sports as a full-time career. The next activity was you have to tell the tense of the sentence. The given sentence is in an interrogative type sentence. Then word chain of noun book. Okay. And the answer from ending letter K, kite, from E, eagle, then again E, elephant, T for tiger. All these words are noun. So it is a word chain of noun book. Alright. Let's see the homograph of the word train. Two sentences are given. First one, by using train, the word train. Because I was late, I missed my train. Another sentence, train. The sentence is like, I decided to train the students for elocution competition. Let's see the answer of the next question. That was, you have to change the given sentence in present perfect tense, and the answer is, I have started a company. It is in a present perfect tense. Next activity was, you have to make four word register of music, and the answer is given like this: music, and related words are song, lyrics, tune, instrument. All right, next one is, the sentence is given and you have to find out the modal auxiliary verb, and here the modal auxiliary verb is could, and it functions or is ability. The could shows ability or your capacity. The sentence is given, Jupiter is the largest of all the planet, and you have to change the given sentence in positive as well as comparative degree. The answer is given in positive degree. No other planet is as large as Jupiter, and in comparative degree the sentence is Jupiter is a larger than any other planet. So here I have just given the answers of all the activities. I am not explaining why this one is correct. I am just telling you the showing the how the questions will ask and how you have to write the answers. All right, now let's begin the section number 2, that is the textual passage. Okay, question number 2, read the passage, following passage, and do the activities. It is for 10 marks. Passage is given here. See, this passage is given here. You have, I will not explain the passage, you have to read it carefully. It is from your textbook. Okay, I will just recite or explain the activities related to this passage. A1, the activity related to the passage A1, select the correct alternative and complete the following. Okay, A wants to do this so that no one is left behind in any corner of the word, and in bracket the words are given, walk together or remember these ancestors. By using any one of, you have to complete the sentence. Next, B1 wants to do this to show respect to these late parents dash dash. Number C feels if we do this our minds will come together dash dash, and in bracket the words are given, smile or speak together. You have to read the passage carefully and try to understand the meaning of the passage, then you can easily solve all these activities. D feels this each time he frees a child from slavery, and the words in bracket are honored or liberated. Next activity A2, complete the web chart. Web chart is given, you have to complete it, and in center the sentence is, the speech has been addressed to. You have to write 4 points here. A3, match the words to their meaning. In column A, words are given like podium, aspiration, pursuit, and recall. This is column A, and in column B, meanings are given. So you have to read the words carefully and see its meaning, and you have to match all these words and their meaning. Activity A4, it is related to the grammar. Number 1, pick out a sentence with the infinitive from the passage. So from the given above passage, we have to find out the infinitive. And number 2, let us get knowledge for all. So this sentence, you have to begin the sentence with let the knowledge and rewrite it. Actually, this sentence is related to. Here you have to use the change the voice. We shall discuss about the answers of the given activities. A1. The fill in the A1, it was the fill in the blanks. A, walk together. B, both to them. C, speak together. D, liberated. Next activity, the answer of A2, the sentence was you have to it was to complete the chart. and the sentence was the speech has been addressed to, and you have to use these words for fill up the chart. Majesties, addressed to Majesties, Tom Harkin, then Royal Highness, then members of the Norwegian Nobel Committee Malala, Norwegian Nobel Committee Malala, and next one, children of the world. The speech is addressed to all these people. A3, which was related to the word, match the words and their meaning. One, podium, a small platform. Next one, aspiration, an ardent wish. Third one, pursuit, the action of trying to achieve something. Fourth one, recall, to remember something. Okay. Dear students, I shall give the PDF of this activity sheet and its answers. You have to visit my website englishforlearner.com. Alright, A4 for grammar. You have to find out the sentence from the passage which have infinitive. The sentence is given here. I am deeply honored to recite a mantra, which is the infinitive here. To recite, this is a infinitive. Alright, next sentence, that is the potential to liberate the humanity, and infinitive from this sentence is to liberate. Okay, A4 2, begin the sentence with let the knowledge. Answer is given here. Let the knowledge be created by all. The sentence is changed in a passive voice. Alright, next answer of the activity A5, which is the personal response type question, and the question is write about the various problems that children are facing today. And the answer is the various problems that children are facing today are trafficking and slavery, child labor, lack of education, life as a refugee, gender discrimination, forced to flee their home, natural disasters. All these problems children are facing nowadays. Alright, let's see the question number 2b. Read the food items and mention in the passage. Alright, the passage is given here. You have to read the passage carefully and see the activities related to this passage. B1, name the food items mentioned in the passage. Next activity, B2, from the below given sentence, pick out two sentences that indicate that the lady was doing exactly the opposite of what she was saying. And the sentences are 1, I think you are unwise to eat meat. 2, I don't believe in overloading my stomach. Third one, I see that you are in the habit of eating a heavy lunch. And fourth one, why don't you follow my example and just eat one thing? B3, fill in the blanks with the given words. Words are given here. A, afford. B, task. C, menu. D, wondered. And the sentence are 1, the dash dash to rescue the food victims was very difficult. Next one, I was thinking about buying a new vehicle and if we had the money. Third one, the restaurant dash dash seemed to be tempting. And fourth one, you cannot dash to waste time with friends during exams. Fourth one, B, related to the grammar. Sentence is, she ate the caviar and she ate the salmon. Begin the sentence with not only but also and rewrite the sentence. Next sentence, you are unwise to eat meat, she said. Rewrite in indirect speech. B5, which food do you prefer to eat home food or restaurant food? Why? Personal response type of question. Dear students, lack of time, I will not explain the answers. So you have to read the answer carefully of each activity. Okay. So Just I will roll out the question paper and its answers. You have to watch, read, and try to solve and try to note down in your notebook and do practice. Friends, I hope you might have liked this video. If you liked it, please share it. If you have any suggestions for me, please write in comment box. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much. This activity sheet and its answers are available on my website, that is www.englishforlearner.com. Wish you good day. Take care. Thank you very much.